Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Traveler in Genshin Impact. The Traveler possesses a unique ability to resonate with various elemental powers found across Teyvat. This means you aren't stuck with just one element throughout your journey. You can freely switch between Anemo, Geo, Electro, Dendro, and Hydro, offering incredible flexibility for your team. This adaptability is a core feature, allowing you to adjust your combat strategy on the fly. Changing your Traveler's element is quite straightforward. You simply need to find and interact with a statue of the 7 in the region corresponding to the element you wish to acquire. For example, to become an Anemo Traveler, visit a Mondstadt statue. Interacting with the statue will present an option to resonate with element. Select this, and your Traveler will instantly gain the new elemental abilities, ready for battle. While the Traveler's elemental power is flexible, some aspects remain fixed. You cannot change their initial appearance or gender once chosen at the very beginning of your adventure. Whether you picked Aetha or Lumine, that choice is permanent. Additionally, their base stats and their ability to wield a sword remain constant, regardless of which element they are currently resonating with. These core characteristics define your Traveler. The ability to change your Traveler's element offers significant advantages. It allows you to adapt your combat strategy to different enemies and challenges, making them a highly versatile unit. You can also solve a wide array of environmental puzzles that require specific elemental interactions. Furthermore, having the Traveler resonate with an element contributes to elemental resonance buffs for your entire party, providing powerful boosts like increased attack or energy recharge.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.